Breaking news: California embraces online notarization, a new era in document authentication. In a groundbreaking development, California is set to modernize its notarization laws, allowing for remote online notarization starting January 1st, 2024. This change paves the way for innovative solutions that make notarizing documents more accessible and secure than ever before. One such solution leading the charge is the Decentralized Digital Notary Service. Let's delve into how this platform is transforming the notarization landscape.
For decades, notarizing documents in California meant scheduling appointments, traveling to notary offices, and handling stacks of paperwork. The process was time-consuming, inconvenient, and often costly. This traditional system posed significant challenges for busy professionals, remote businesses, and individuals in rural communities. Access to notary services was limited by geography and operating hours, creating barriers in an increasingly digital world.
But change is on the horizon. With the passing of Assembly Bill 1093, California joins the growing list of states embracing remote online notarization, or ARON. This legislation allows Californians to notarize documents online, eliminating the need for in-person visits.
This is a significant step forward. Remote online notarization will enhance efficiency, reduce fraud, and provide greater access to notary services across the state.
Enter the Decentralized Digital Notary Service, a cutting-edge platform harnessing the power of blockchain technology to offer secure, instant, and accessible notarization. Here's how it works. First, there's a user-friendly interface. You simply upload your document. Your document remains confidential. The platform generates a cryptographic hash. This hash is recorded on the Stellar blockchain. Anyone can verify the authenticity by matching the hash.
Our service leverages blockchain's immutability and transparency.
The benefits are clear. Convenience. Notarize documents anytime, anywhere. Speed. Complete the process in minutes, not days. Security. Enjoy tamper-proof records secured by blockchain technology. Cost-effective. Reduce expenses associated with traditional notarization.
While this service is a game-changer for Californians, its impact reaches far beyond state lines. Built on a global blockchain network, the service is available worldwide.
Using this platform has been a revelation. I can notarize documents from home without hassle.
This innovation modernizes legal processes, aligning with digital transformation across industries.
As California steps into this new era of notarization, platforms like the Decentralized Digital Notary Service are at the forefront, offering timely, efficient, and secure solutions. This benefits individuals and businesses, setting a tech precedent in legal frameworks. Visit decentralizeddigitalnotaryservice.com for more information. Experience the future of notarization today.